Welcome back to part 3. We're going to go over the data and what we discovered, starting now. First off, we're going to take a look at the drilling, inserting, and removing. After that, we're going to go through all 10, beginning with the first one. Notice that our torque started peaking out, which is why I stopped at about 1.4 Newton meters. And then there was your removal torque. The increment for data is decreasing all the way to 10. Note the time duration for 10 versus the duration for the first one. There was a big difference between time, and that translates into effort. Now let's compare the clinical results of the torque versus our database. We type in about 1 Newton meter. We're going to select our two tests, our peak test at 1 and our peak test at 10. From here, we're going to change our range so that we can narrow down our results and compare clinically. We see our 2 points from test 1 and test 10. You can see here some sawbone studies which are similar. Let's take the example of this DePuy study. Information below and find the study that is similar. Links to the study and if there were any participants. So now we have a similar torque for that study versus the one that we ran. And until